All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back with our end of our pre-market report for Sunday, April the 30th, 2023. All right, let's jump right into it. I hope everyone's having a good um, weekend. I'm not going to hold you long so you can get back to it. All right, let's knock this out. So the first chart here is Bitcoin futures, and we're still in a neutralized state. So we got to wait till the market comes off neutralization before we do anything there, but it's still in a bull market for now. Next up, we have silver, which is in a bull market, and we still have a bearish trend momentum reading, folks. I know these markets are wild. Will the bull market relock in? Will the market claim back that bullish sentiment? It can, but as long as this is red, the market's going to stay in that sell the rally mode. So we expect this to move sideways to lower. Next up is Nat Gas. Once again, it's a locked-in bear market. Until something changes, we expect lower prices. Looking at the Dow is in a bull market, but it still has a bearish trend momentum reading. All right, so this one here is still in a very wide sideways channel, very wide. All right. And the consolidation bar goes all the way back here to December the 15th of 2022. Prices have remained in this neutralization bar, this consolidation bar. So the market's been consolidated for several months, and it's trying to decide what it wants to do. You're in a bull market. The bull market can relock in at any time and start rallying, but you still got this bearish trend momentum reading. And as long as this is here, the market will be in a sell the rally mode. Even if it gets up to this 35,000 mark, it's still in the sell the rally mode until this turns green. If this red line does not turn green and remains red, no matter how high the Dow goes, that means it's going to be sold. And the next leg down will be quite severe. All right, so we'll see what happens. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. NASDAQ 100 is now neutralized. All right, it's in a bull market, but it's neutralized. So we have to wait to see what happens. We have this this bot check, and we got this upsurge. So the bot check played out, but the market's neutralized now in a very wide trading range. So got to wait till it comes off neutralization to figure out what we're going to do with that next. Then you got gold. Gold's in a bull market, but it has a bearish trend momentum reading. So until this turns green, the market's not reclaiming the price, and you are expecting lower prices. Sideways to lower prices still in gold. 1900 is going to need to be tested at some point in order to validate the bull market. Next up is the S&P 500. And as you can see here on the S&P 500, we're now neutralized. Okay, so until this thing comes off neutralization, we do nothing. You're in a bull market. Can the bull reclaim the market? It's looking like it's trying to. We'll see what happens, but it's once you're neutralized, that's it. So we'll wait until the market comes off neutralized and see which way it goes. Does it want to continue to try to rally, or is it going to fall down? All right, so that's the issue right now. Can the market do it? Will it do it? Next up is crude oil, and it's in a bear market. And you had a bearish trend momentum reading, locked in bear market, but then we just now became neutralized. So gonna have to take a step back and see where this one goes once it comes off neutralization. All right, the Russell is in a bear market, and it came off neutralization with a rally alert. The market rallied and got just about to the bottom of the Kumo cloud. 1800 is the current resistance, and it's seeming to have a hard time getting above it. If it can't crack it, then this bullish trend momentum reading is going to turn red, which means the bear market will reclaim the Russell, and you're going to much, much lower levels in your Russell. The Russell could be leading the way down for the rest of the indices. All right, next up, we got the US dollar index. So the US dollar index is still in a bear market, but it has a bullish trend momentum reading. So we're expecting sideways to slightly higher prices here. You're still in that trading range. 103 is the resistance, 101 is the support, and the market's going nowhere. You do have a positive bot check a few sessions ago, but no upward surge yet. So that could be still forthcoming, ladies and gentlemen, in your dollar. The Ethereum is in a bull market and it has a bullish trend momentum reading, so it's locked in. And you have a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading. So to start the week off, Ethereum looks to be bullish. All right, folks, there you have it. So we'll see what happens. It is FOMC week, so we never really know, what the Fed's going to do. They could shock, they could surprise. Who knows? But we'll have to wait and see what that result is going to be, what it's going to look like. Could be interesting though. I will say that we have possibly a very interesting week coming up ahead of us. So I'm excited to see how that plays out. But we do got a lot of neutralized positions to start the week off. The grains are all neutralized. The S&P is neutralized. The pound sterling is neutralized. The Bitcoin futures is neutralized. The NASDAQ is neutralized. Crude oil is neutralized. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the futures markets are in a neutralized position to start the week off. So just wanted to give you that heads up as we move forward. And remember, the system works if you work the system. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I am out. Peace.